hoping it'd be you. And I was dreaming of all the things we do. You said you loved me, but you never looked my way. Now I realize you played me just that way. You let the curtain fall and ended it that way. You won the series, but you lost the final game. You broke the bell that would have made it all okay. You threw it all away, you wanted it that way. I know we're gonna have a good time.